Hey everybody, so in today's video we wanted to take a look at how you can use the shape library to speed up some common design features. To begin with, where do we find the shape library? We'll find it under the Create 2D tab and then where it says Shape Library. So we'll go ahead and click that. Now from here, there's 40 different shapes that you can choose from. To change the shape, just click on the shape itself and this will bring up the shape library. In today's example, we're going to look at a curved slot. We're going to add a curved slot to our design here. Now you'll notice as you move your mouse around, the shape does come with it. What we're going to do is align with the center of this radius here to start defining our curved slot. Now there's 4 dimensions that we need to adjust here, so let's start working through them. The first one would be the center line radius of our slot. The second one would be the width of the slot. The third one is the start and end position of the slot location. So it's based on the clock being at 3 o'clock is 0. So I'm just going to say 360 minus 40, and then I'll say 40 on this end. And you can see we get a preview of that slot on the screen. Now you do have the ability to flip the direction here. You can also adjust the rotation, you can change its origin, and you can also change its reference location, whether it's centered, left, middle, right, which definitely makes laying out these designs much easier. Now once you get the dimensions and the shape in its location, you can go ahead and choose OK, and then that will create the design on the screen. Now one of the things that's really nice about the shape library is a history of those shapes will be stored in the CAD history tree. This is the only wireframe creation tool that is stored in the CAD history tree. The benefit of this is you can come over to that shape, right click and edit it, and then you can make adjustments to its size without having to start over. So if I wanted to stretch the dimension larger, I could say minus 20 degrees that way, and I can add 20 degrees this way, and you can see how very quickly we can update our design.